I'm going to try to make this an easy to follow video of a problem with color card from Magix that no one else has brought to the attention on YouTube or anywhere else. I have a Lenovo 7i. I'm updated on 2023. I'm with 2203-172. Maybe Magix will now put for the lifetime an update. It's perpetual. That means anytime they want, they don't have to update. I'm going to go to template. I'm going to go to captions basic. And I'm going to go to color card. And I want to just take my marker, about 3 seconds. You're going to notice my marker move from 3 to about 5 and the template to effects. And you're going to see the title go on line 3, 4, and 5 and not see titles at all. I can manually grab it, drag it to the line, and this is an issue right here. My red line separated. I could get that back by simply just moving this a little. So return arrow down. Everything I said, what it did, title's not there. Bring it up to the different lines, title's not there. SM, lock, minimize, maximize, down, plus X3, title. If I go to the title editing, it should open up to edit. Click off of it. And if I go to the title editor, nothing. Only way to work around this is to highlight, ungroup. You could delete this off, move your marker, title editor, but you have to delete the title off. I know that. Now once it's deleted, you can open up the title editor and you have your title. And you can come here, highlight, or just type on this. You type in your 2 title lines. 1 line, return, 2 line. The lines are pretty decent for the size I need to do. I'm going to click the check, bring it into the center the best I can. Another option of doing this, let me just click over here so it locks in. I could go to the template, to the font basics, and choose any title I want, place it in, but then I have to narrow down my lines. So let me play this for you and show you what it looks like. And hopefully this will play smoothly and no stuttering. All right, why did that lock up? There it plays smoothly and finishes. Now, I know I must group it all. So I highlight, group it, click off of it, and it's all grouped. Then I can move it, go to my import, and drag in anything I want. Sometimes I have a problem that the whole video will go in here, and this will be all black. That's a story for another day. I hope you can resolve this issue with the, you got it, caption basics, adding in, and not seeing the text at all. Have a great day and enjoy. Oh, by the way, let me see what just has happened here. Why I lost one text. Let me click off of it, and it all grouped together. Something is just not right. Have fun trying to figure this issue out. Have a great day.